Hello and welcome to this demo on how to generate code from diagram with Amazon Q Developer CLI. So here is a diagram in my folder. So this represents an application. This application calls an API gateway, return a landing page, um, record a feedback into DynamoDB table, and send a confirmation email through an SNS topic. So I'll launch QChat and I ask it, can you generate this application with my Lambda function written in Python and the infrastructure as code with Python CDK v2. So it is thinking. First it's trying to find my draw IO diagram. So it executes this shell command and it will start to, so you find this diagram and understand what it has to do. So now it will execute a list of shell commands to create my application. For example, this CDK application, this CDK code. I type yes to confirm that I want this. And after a while, I get a complete folder structure and files inside my folder. So the Lambda functions, the CDK code that I could deploy, and it explain me how to deploy this. But I will do something uh, more. I will ask it to modify the draw diagram so I get well-defined CDK construct inside my diagram. So it starts thinking, and after a while it will propose a new version of my diagram. So here it is. So I will type yes, and I will see my diagram modified with what I would call well-defined CDK construct. But that's not all. It will start thinking and it will propose to keep in sync the diagram with my code. So it will modify my code, and for example, it will create a notification construct, and inside this notification construct, I will find my SNS topic, and I will be able to make this evolve more easily afterwards. So now I have a complete new architecture, a new diagram with well-defined CDK construct, and the code that is in sync with this diagram. So now let's see if I can deploy this. So let's do CDK deploy with the files that I have in my folder. So it's a bit accelerated here, but after a while, I get my application deployed. And most of the time, it will work right away. So I access my application. So here is the form that has been generated by the CLI. I didn't write any code for this. So I will test to send submit a feedback. And that works. So sometimes I have some modification to do, but this time that works. And I go to my DynamoDB table just to check that my feedback has been recorded. So again, everything has been generated by Q Developer CLI, and now I can check and verify that it worked.